Let me see your receipt then.
Yes, for the Walmart.
Yeah, you do. Let me see your receipt. All right, let me see your receipt.
I don't have to prove full of bro.
Really?
Man,
you never said that, right?
You full of it, bro. Come on, man. Can somebody else do this? He's incompetent. He's incompetent. Can you read? I just started my applications for law school, so I'm very versed, trying to be at least, learning as much as I can. I was just telling him, like, I'm probably now, and he's like...
In an Arkansas parking lot, officers responded to a Walmart loss prevention report describing an in-progress retail theft. The suspect declared she was not required to prove anything, a statement reflecting one of the most damaging misunderstandings in American constitutional law. The Fifth Amendment does not shield a citizen from complying with a lawful investigative detention. It never has.
Sorry, get in the car. I'm on
Ma'am?
Don't touch me, bro. You tripping. No,
now
stop touching me.
You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail.
For what? I paid for this.
Then
you tripping.
I'm
straight. I got what I paid for.
Okay, well, let me see your receipt then.
Yes, for the Walmart.
I don't have to prove either one of y'all.
Yeah, you do. Let me see your receipt.
I don't got to prove.
All right, let me see your receipt.
I don't have to prove.
Okay, then you're gonna be detained.
I'm not being detained for
Yes, you are.
tripping. I got to prove to you like I said.
They got a retail theft that just occurred, and they're giving me a hard time here in the front. Let me see.
Hey, look, sir.
Let me see.
Hey, Tariq, get in the car. We finna go. This my code that I just paid for $14.79.
Okay.
I'm finna go. Hey,
No,
can you
you're
get in
not.
the car?
Stop.
Y'all tripping. Over
Stop.
jacket that I just paid for.
Okay.
Tariq, come on. It's cool. It's cool.
It's not cool. Let me see what you bought.
These are the items I bought. Excuse me.
Okay.
Stop. Don't touch me.
Okay.
Mama, don't touch me. Can you get in the vehicle so we can go?
Okay, you're not going anywhere.
This is the jacket. This is
Okay.
the phone.
Stop.
Like y'all overdoing it.
Stop.
You don't have to steal anything.
What you yelling for?
This is the jacket.
Okay.
This is the item.
Okay.
This is the proof of the purchase.
Okay. Stop.
Stop what? That's a proof of purchase.
Okay,
Can you get
let
in the car
me.
so we can go?
Okay, let me.
Yeah, you tripping.
Let me read it.
Sure. You don't have to hold the phone to
Yes,
read
I
it. You
do.
finna snatch it. Don't do all that.
Let
you can
me-
read my phone from here. Which
Step
says
back.
The purchase,
touch
which
me,
is
boy.
Step back.
Tariq, get in the car.
Step back.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Step back.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm not scared.
This is the jacket.
Let me see the jacket.
Why would I give you my pocket? Don't. Tariq, get in the car. I'm on.
Ma'am?
Don't f***ing touch me, bro. You tripping. Tariq.
Okay.
Get in the car so we can go.
Now
Stop touching
you're
me.
gonna go to
You're-
jail.
You,
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing
Put your hands behind your back.
Tariq, get in the car.
Hey, stop.
I
You got
paid
your
for
receipt and
this.
shit?
I'm
Put your
showing
hands-
him. He overdoing it. He stayed snatching
Okay,
my
just
phone.
calm down.
Get the
Put
jacket
your
so I can
hands-
go.
Calm down.
Get out of the car.
I'm not doing
Calm
nothing.
down.
Tariq,
Calm
get in the
down.
car.
Where's your code at that you paid for?
Get out of the car.
Tariq, get in the car.
Get out of the car. You are going to go to jail.
For
You're
what?
obstructing right now.
I'm not
Get
doing
out of the
nothing
car.
to you.
Get out of the car.
Get back. I don't
Get
care.
back.
Get back right now. Get back or I'm going to get you back.
Get out of the car.
Go.
You're going to go to jail.
For what? I paid for this.
Then
You
you need
tripping.
to.
I just, sir.
Okay, but you are not.
What's okay? Stop.
Hey, this is the jacket. This is the phone. You tripping. You tripping.
You're going to get. Yes, it
This is
is.
the proof of purchase and this
Put
is my
your-
jacket.
Give me this hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. 520, we got 2 detained. Stop it.
Let me go, folks. Let me go, folks.
No.
Overdoing your shit. My mother has been a deputy sheriff for Will County my entire life.
Okay.
I can't wait to call her. I can't wait to call
Okay.
her. I can't wait to call
Okay.
her. I can't wait to call her.
Stop.
The jacket that I paid for on my phone.
Okay,
my proof of purchase is
stop.
on my phone again. Like I said.
Even he's telling you to calm down.
Oh, because you're overdoing it. Why are you pushing
We're
me?
not.
Like, sir, can you get your partner? He's pushing me. I'm a young lady. I deserve respect. So let me go. Let me go, G. Let me go. You overdoing
Okay,
it.
I'm trying to tighten your handcuffs so they don't tighten up on you.
Fine, on vacation. Just chill out, okay? I don't consent to any search.
Can you look at the proof of purchase?
Yeah.
Please? Seriously, you're overdoing it. Along with the proof of purchase, please go to the receipt. Like you fucking tripping.
Why you gotta steal Walmart? What the f?
That's the proof of purchase I want to leave now before I sue y'all, for real. That's my proof of purchase I want to go before I sue y'all. Get me out of these handcuffs. You tripping. Y'all tripping.
He didn't accuse you of theft. Walmart did.
It's cool. That's my proof of purchase. There's no reason I should be in cuffs. So can you look so I can go?
Listen, the reason that you are in handcuffs is because you can't listen.
Hey,
Okay.
Come here. Just
So can you look at the documentation along with the proof of purchase with the item that's purchased?
Okay,
So we can go.
settle down.
It's okay.
You can't just go walking up on people.
You guys didn't do anything. You could have been out of here by now. You did this
He aggressive as hell.
You said you weren't showing me That was your exact words.
After I previously showed it to you already had my phone. The body cam right there.
You're ma'am.
You're right. Bodycam's right there, which will show you.
It's fine. Can you just look at the stuff?
We're not
Don't
debating
have to
this.
have a dialogue about it.
We're not.
Go back and forth.
Yeah, we do.
I'm a college graduate. I don't have to
So am I.
I
Tell you what,
overdoing it.
we'll wait for you. We'll wait for you guys.
He's
Get it
going
all out
to
of your
this
system.
dialogue for
Get it all
what?
out of
Look
your
at the
system.
stuff so we can move
Get it
on.
all out of your system so we can figure out what we got going on here.
Go back to the app so I can see
Man,
the.
then you want to take all day. It was just on the app. Like, why are you doing that? You doing that on purpose.
No, I'm not.
You're full of bro.
Really?
Man,
You never
full of
said
it.
that, right?
You full of it, bro. Come
Okay.
on, man. Can somebody else do this? He's incompetent. He's incompetent. Can you read? Damn. There it is. Do you have it?
That you have done something right. They
Damn.
something wrong.
Do you have it? Like, can you see?
She don't gotta prove that she's innocent.
All right, so you paid for this, but the cart of things that you were pushing out the door when he flagged me down, you didn't pay for. So that's the problem.
Those things were
Ma'am,
so.
just telling you.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have the item that I paid for.
Yeah, but the stuff you didn't pay for, that you walked past the last point of sale with, are the issue.
So those items in the cart, I expressed to him already that have been already paid for. I had two separate transactions. He didn't give me the option to.
Ma'am,
say
they're watching the video. You paid for none of that stuff at the self-checkout. They're watching the video right now. The whole thing's on video.
We move inside
Okay.
there then now?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Come inside.
All right. Was he in the store even at all?
No, he was in the car.
Going inside here?
Yes.
Okay. I don't mind standing. It's no biggie. You don't have to move it. It's fine.
Well, here, sit in this chair.
It's no worries. Like, I'm fine. So what I was trying to explain to him before he started yelling at me was that the rest of my funds, he was bringing them. That's why he was at the front door. So the intentions to steal weren't my intentions. So what I was expressing to her
Ma'am,
is
you have to
the
sit down,
gentleman
though.
was at the door to bring me the rest of the payment so I can get the rest of the items that were in the cart. The black one.
You paid with the black one?
Yes, sir.
That's on her phone. She's got a receipt for that.
Well, that one's fake. That's why I was showing up.
Yeah,
that
okay.
And this is the same exact that you can see.
Yeah.
It could be the same
When you
jacket.
started getting
Yeah.
argumentative, it made me not want to get the rest of the stuff anymore. I wasn't trying to leave with the items. As I previously stated, he was coming to meet me for my wallet so I can pay for the rest of the stuff. Like, you're overdoing it, like I previously stated. Like, you're overdoing it.
I'll tell you what. Like,
22. What?
a jury.
Can't be over 50.
Yeah. So she pays for that one thing, but she doesn't have enough funds for everything else. So she's going to meet him to get the funds to take the stuff back to pay for it. Whether that's true or not, I don't know.
No, you can't.
But
She took it past the last point of sale.
Right, but-
Did they stop her all the way past here?
it sounds like out in the vestibule. So stay there. You're not going out here.
So just to
Stay over there.
Well, I really, I don't have to defend myself on what my
You don't.
intentions were. If that's y'all's opinion, that's y'all's opinion.
It's their
It
opinion, not
wasn't-
my opinion.
Right,
We're
and
not
it-
asking you
like,
a question.
right, but you didn't just hear what was stated. Like, it's very convenient for
We've
the
heard it all.
vehicle to be there. But
Heard
as
it
I
all.
previously stated, the vehicle was there so he can meet
In the
me at
fire
door
lane.
with my payment.
In a fire
You
lane.
guys are so sarcastic and like full of it. It's like, it's no point of not being honest. You know what I mean?
Ma'am, but here's the thing, okay? They have reason to believe that you were trying to steal those items.
Right.
By the letter of the law, black and white, you did steal those items.
Right. It's as he expressed about the sensors
Done.
and being past the door.
That's it. Done.
Exactly. Fine.
Period.
That's perfect.
Period. So if they decide that they want you charged, then it's up to a judge to decide if they believe your story or their story.
Exactly.
Adversarial court system.
Exactly.
It's a beautiful thing about the United States of America. The disinterested third party will decide your case. The other thing is, a little bit of an issue with you out there, and you're resisting of my commands to tell you to stop, to sit, to talk, to whatever.
Yes, sir.
Like, I have every reason to do that.
Yes, sir.
They told me that a crime just occurred. It's my duty to investigate
Yes,
it.
sir.
You didn't want to go with the program. That's why you ended up in handcuffs.
Yes, sir.
One, because you came at me twice.
Yes, sir.
I had zero intention of doing that. You escalated this to where we're at right now.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been arrested before, ma'am, for anything? Even traffic? Anything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what for?
I don't want to discuss that right now. Is that okay?
I can find. I'm just trying
In
to.
the state of Arkansas, and I'm aware that you can find out. I just said
Perfect.
that I don't want to discuss it in front of
Yeah.
other people. Is that
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
I'm just trying to decide how we can make
No, I
this.
understand. We can speak about that in private if you don't mind, but
That's fine. That's fine.
thank you.
So the stuff in the cart. Do we have a receipt then?
I received for that. I didn't put the bags. She told me she paid for those bags. We just looked on the receipt again. She didn't pay for them.
For what bag? What bags are we talking
The
about?
bags, the little reusable bags, the Walmart uses.
I
Okay.
provided my own shopper bags.
We watched you grab those all.
The shopper bags?
Yes, we watched you grab
I
them.
had my own shopper bags.
We
There
saw
was
her grab
one
them
that
before.
I brought, and the other one I got from the store. Like the blue shopper bags?
Right, but we saw him grab them before.
So do we want to redo that then with that on there, or how much are those?
Just like 50 cents.
Okay.
I will, just because of her story and what she claims.
Yeah, okay, so then you put that bag on there so we have a final receipt and we'll go from there. All right, do me a favor, turn around.
Yes, sir.
Because I don't want these things to tighten up on you, okay? That you're going to be under arrest for retail theft, okay?
Okay.
So why don't you come...
With you?
Go with Officer Landini here.
Thank you.
Under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968, officers may briefly detain a person on reasonable suspicion that a crime has occurred. A report from identified loss prevention professionals with direct observation is among the strongest forms of citizen informant. The Supreme Court reinforced this weight in Adams versus Williams, and again in Illinois versus Gates, making the reasonable suspicion threshold easily met here. Arkansas Code Section 16-81-106 recognizes a merchant's privilege for reasonable investigative detention. A store may detain a suspected shoplifter for a reasonable time for investigation without civil liability for false arrest. Once officers arrive, that private detention transfers into formal law enforcement authority without any additional threshold. The Fifth Amendment, developed through Miranda versus Arizona in 1966, protects citizens from compelled self-incrimination through testimony. It does not permit refusing physical compliance with a lawful investigative stop, nor concealing exculpatory evidence a subject has voluntarily raised as defense. A receipt once raised as proof of innocence cannot simultaneously be shielded as protected testimony. Under Pennsylvania versus Mims, decided in 1977, officers conducting a lawful stop may physically control the scene. That authority includes preventing a detained subject from entering a waiting vehicle mid-investigation. When physical restraint became necessary, the analysis shifts to Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. 3 factors govern the analysis: the severity of the crime, the immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting flight. All 3 factors weighed in favor of the officer. Soft, empty-hand control was the minimum force reasonably necessary. The most misunderstood principle in this encounter is the independence of the resisting and obstructing charges. Under Arkansas Code Section 5-54-103, resisting arrest is a standalone Class A misdemeanor. It does not require a valid underlying arrest, only that the officer be known as law enforcement, performing an official function. A citizen who defeats the shoplifting defense in court can still be convicted of resisting arrest, and often is.
My report's going to reflect what I observed, okay?
Exactly.
And again, that's why I told you, we have an adversarial court system.
Right.
The disinterested...
I was just explaining, did you do the fingerprint?
No, Officer Campbell did it.
Oh,
He had to go
I was just telling him.
There's somebody chasing somebody down the roadway, so he had to go.
Oh, yikes. I was just telling him, though, that I just started my applications for law school, so I'm very versed, trying to be at least, learning as much as I can. I was just telling him, like, I'm probably now, and he's like, you'll be fine.
That's why
I was going to law school.
Well,
Definitely making...
And obviously,
here's the thing.
A charge is way different than a conviction.
Right,
And that's, again, not knowing that, I'm trying to give you a little bit of the benefit of the doubt, and that's why we're
Right.
doing this as an ordinance violation instead of a criminal violation.
Right, and I appreciate that.
So you're not happy with the outcome of this, and I get that, and you weren't happy with me out there, but
And things just kind of transpired so quickly, and he was so aggressive. I was trying to explain to him that my partner was there to, to give me my payment, and then he kind of like got tough with him, and just like words were exchanged, and it just went south very quickly. You know what I mean?
I get it.
Like it was almost to a point of...
I mean, I gotta be honest with you. There would have been a chance that had you not been screaming and yelling at me and not kind of uncooperative, like if I could have gotten you calmed down,
Right.
we probably could have handled the whole thing there.
Differently.
Not saying that you would not have been charged with something,
Right.
just we could have handled it a lot differently. So that's where we're at. Y'all good there?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I know you guys have... Get out of here.
No, all on camera, so I can tell you one thing, we didn't take anything.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait, people accuse us that all the time.
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
I'm like, do you really think my pension is worth
Right. Like,
even that $100 bill? It ain't worth my
Right, and
pension.
then even
Yeah.
so, there's cameras. So it's-
Yep, yeah, one right there, one right there.
There's video, cameras, audio. There's everything in here.
Every single thing.
Plus, we still have our body cameras on, or at least I do.
Oh yeah, one of us has to.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks so much. Appreciate
Sure.
it.
Good luck, okay?
Take care. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, take care. Don't work too hard, okay?
The primary contact officer earns a B. Sound legal authority, but early tone escalated the encounter more sharply than best practice would allow. The secondary female officer earns an A- for a textbook tactical handoff, a calm indoor interview, and thoughtful use of field discretion. The suspect earns a D-. Despite stated law school ambitions, she systematically undermined her own legal position at every strategic decision point. Walmart loss prevention earns an A- for accurate observation past the last point of sale and cooperative reporting. 3 critical lessons emerge from this encounter for any citizen who might one day face a similar situation. First, cooperation is not surrender. A citizen may fully comply with lawful commands while preserving every constitutional right for later court challenge. Second, exculpatory evidence must be presented for inspection, not merely waved from a distance. A receipt held out of reach helps no one. Third, the courtroom, not the roadside, is the correct venue for challenging a suspected unlawful arrest. Arguments belong before a judge, not a duty belt. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.